welcome to Honeybee Tales. Say hi! I hope that tonight will give you some comic relief and that you will enjoy tonight's edition of Honeybee Tales. I'm going to read Weasels with Measles. So obviously the coronavirus or the COVID-19 is not weasels with measles, but it still could be pretty funny. Now this is a phonics reader, and so these are great for teaching your children the certain sounds that they need to learn in order to become a better reader. And so this is one of the, it's a paperback book, has funny pictures. And I guess maybe, I don't know, but she doesn't really want the weasels to have measles, do you? We will read Weasels with Measles. It's got these cute little weasels. They're cute little weasels. Wes and Lee, the twin weasels, are painting their town with dots, spots, and splashes high up and low down. It's so bright, they grin with delight. Looks a treat. Stop making that mess. Yes, we need a neat street. Brown Owl starts to scowl. The twins look at their feet. So you can see it's repeating that same sound, and that's what the phonics sound that we're practicing in this particular book, which we'll talk about at the end. They quickly skip home, two small spotty weasels. Oh no, screams their mother, I think you have measles. But Ma, we are fine, Wes and Lee try to say. Not one word, not a whine, head to bed, don't delay.
Wait.
She sends for the doctor. Spot upon spot. Tongues out, please. Say ah. Now do you feel hot? Now if you feel hot, stay away from me. I'm just saying. There's no doubt about it. These weasels have measles. They may get quite snuffly with sniffles and sneezels. So the next time your child sneezes, say, did you just sneasel? If they wheeze or they sneeze, let them eat some green cheese. Oh no. Please don't fret. It's the least harmful weasel disease. See, don't fret. If you have measles, don't fret. Ma lays a damp hanky on each little head. But what's this? Both hankies have come away red. Thank goodness, says Ma in a whisper that's faint. Her twins don't have measles. Their spots are red paint. I want to know what doctor they used because obviously I would not use him again. Just then there's a rat-a-tat-tat and a shout. We want Wes and Lee. Are they here? Send them out. We've come first in the contest for Best Woodland Street. The judges said your spots and splashes were sweet. So see, I love when it has a good ending, that they're excited about the spots that they did all over the place. Best Woodland Street. Look how everyone is so excited. Everyone's dotty for the twins, spots and dots. They throw them a party with spots, lots and lots. Now, if only this virus could end like this, right? Where it really wasn't anything bad. There's juggling and jam and those two jolly weasels give everyone spots. Now they've all got the measles. See, they gave them to all their friends. But thankfully, this one is not contagious in a bad way. So, what you'll notice is that this particular book is going to identify the long E sound, and it tells you this at the back of the book. So it's the long E sound, such as in neat or disease. Look out too for rhymes such as fine, wine, sneeze, and cheese. So these are great for teaching your children those phonics sounds, but also having a silly story to go along with it. So hopefully you enjoyed those silly stories. Have a great week, and I will see you all next Monday for Honeybee Tales.